Hello, Sarah Huber here again. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about YouTube and the purpose of the things that you see on the screen when you look at YouTube. Like your communication, your heading, your thumbnail, your keywords, your description, and then just to end it, we're going to talk about analytics. But today will be only the purpose, and then I'll make follow-up videos to reveal some secrets, how you can improve on those things to get better results, especially as an affiliate marketer. But for anybody that wants higher ranking, it will work well. So let's start with communication. That is obviously because YouTube is mainly a communication media and you talk to people. So I don't have to explain the purpose of that too much, just to carry a message over. You want to intrigue customers to relate to you and to follow you. And then you want to redirect them to your webpage, and then you do your marketing from there. Then next you'll get to your topic. Now the topic is very important, and what we will discuss there is mainly the keywords. It's no use you decide, okay, I'm going to talk about YouTube. What is it about YouTube that people want to know? Such a wide field that you have to pinpoint it. If you want to sell something to somebody, you have to laser target it. You cannot just like take a shotgun and see where it hits. You're going to waste 6 months, lots of your time and lots of money. And as marketers, that is actually really a very stupid attitude to follow. I was an estate agent, and we used to have a competition in the office where people got rewards for things they do, and all those things that we had to do was leading to its sales, like putting show boards up, having a show house, placing an ad, how many people responded to your ad and so on. And I was doing very well. I normally won those competitions. But the one week, I had one person to my show house. I was so distorted. I couldn't believe it. And then my manager said to me, well, don't worry, as long as that one person buys. So he didn't buy yet. And on the next day, the guy phoned and I sold the flat to this guy. So I learned that I had so little work to do. I didn't have 10 people to schlep through places and show. I had the one right client that came. I saw him once, he phoned me back, we filled in the contract and it was done. So if you can just pinpoint your marketing straight at the person that you desire to sell to, or that you know that's looking for your product, then you've got a lot less work to do and a lot less marketing costs at the end of the day. That's the purpose of the communication. Next, we're going to do the heading of your video. The heading is really very important, because if you're going to search for a topic and Google suggests your video or YouTube suggests your video, and it pops up along with 10 others, and your topic is not related in your heading, they are for sure going to choose one of the other headings that's related to the topic that they searched. So we're going to handle keywords a lot in this section. So the importance and purpose of your heading is that it must relate to your keywords that you're using. So that is about what I'm going to say today about the heading. I'm sure you can see that that is very important. And then next we're going to do your description. Now it's very important to realize that the description covers a lot more than just those 2 lines. Most of your ranking also depends on this. Is with excellent description usage that I actually, with my 5th video only, public video, rank 8th amongst people like Tony Robbins and Les Brown and so on. I was so shocked, I couldn't believe it. But that was just a few tricks that I've learned along the way. So this is really important. You're going to learn so much from that episode. So the purpose of the description is ranking, and it's going to show up for your client to decide whether he's going to listen to your video or somebody else's. Okay, and then next we're going to get to the thumb. Now, as you now already may know or may not know, the thumb is that little picture that shows up when they advertise your video or when they suggest your video. Therefore, it is really important. I'm sure you realize that when you look at a video and the thumbs or the videos is here at the side, most of your choices are made on the video. People also choose on likes, subscriptions and so forth, but the first impression is the video, and you only get one opportunity to make a first impression. So there's a lot of things that's very important on the video, and we're going to go into detail into that. And then I'll do a last video in this series on analytics, because it's no use you set up all these things and then you go into your analytics on YouTube and you say, what is this? What is this? This is my results for browsing. This is my results for search. What's the difference? So we'll go into the differences of all those things so that you can make sense of your analytics in YouTube. And if you do all these things, you should have a better business in your affiliate marketing. So I'm looking forward to have you back on my channel next week. I normally post on a Friday, and see you there. Please like my video and subscribe if you want to follow the series so you can be notified when it's placed. And I'll see you then. Ciao for now.